Hey everyone, this is Sanket here. Welcome to Work with Technology YouTube channel. I created this channel for computer hacks. I upload videos about MS Office tutorials, some unboxing of accessories, programming tutorials and many more. In this video I tell about how to download VS Code. Step 1. Type VS Code on your browser and click on the first link of the page. Step 2. Now download the installer according to your operating system. Step 3. Install VS Code. This step is easy. Accept the agreement and click next. Step 3. Download extensions for Visual Studio Code. Once you have installed Visual Studio Code, now it's time to install some extensions. Whatever you want. And your VS Code are ready. If you like this video, please like this video. Subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for latest videos and share with your friends.